Up. Up you go. I know I can do just one more.
Can you do it, Jonathan? Aww. Can you turn your head over? Look. So what do you think of tummy time, baby?
Not much, he said.
There, good boy.
There you go.
You can do it. Okay, and this is our first tummy time.